Hello, my reading friends. This is Miss D. Welcome to Read to Me, Miss D. This is the OK book, and it is by Amy Krouse Rosenthal and Tom Lichtenheld. I'm very excited for us to start this book, reading it together. Remember that if you like the story, big pages. If you like the story, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the page, and make sure that you ring the bell. Hi, how are you? I'm okay. Here's this picture. Now watch. If I turn it to the side, it says okay. And we turn it this way, and what do we have? We have a person. That's pretty cool. I like to try a lot of different things. Juggling. I'm not great at all of them, but I enjoy them just the same. I'm an okay skipper. I'm an okay climber. I'm an okay marshmallow toaster. Oh, I'm an okay marshmallow roaster. I made a mistake, so I have to make sure I go back and correct my word. I like roasting marshmallows. I'm an okay tightrope walker. I'm an okay left fielder. I'm an okay right fielder. I'm an okay diver. I am an okay hider. I'm an okay pumper on a swing going back and forth. I'm an okay sledder. I'm an okay kite flyer. Got it stuck on a tree. I've done that before too. I'm an okay tug of warer. Oh, I'm an okay sharer. Sometimes sharing is hard to do, but we learn with time and practice. I'm an okay headstander. That's upside down. I'm an okay pancake flipper. Oh, on top of his head. Ouch, that'd be hot. I'm an okay fisher. I'm an okay swimmer. I'm an okay lightning bug catcher. If you ever try to catch a lightning bug, you should try it sometime. If you haven't, it's a lot of fun. One day, I'll grow up to be really excellent at something. I don't know what it is yet. But I sure am having fun figuring it out. Oh. The end. Oh, what a special story. I hoped it helped you to see that you being you is not just okay, it's amazing. You don't have to be like anybody else. You be like you. Thank you so much for reading with me today. And don't forget to make sure that you go back into the description online on my channel, and I have a link where you can buy this book, this exact book for yourself. If you like this book, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you tag that bell. Tap it. And then you'll get a reminder the next time I have a book for us to read together. Thank you for being with me today. Thank you for being you. Bye-bye from Miss D.